You see Lobo and K-Bar. Over there is Buttons, Herschel. Getting a bunch of snow coming down, as you can see, still again. It's been a few days of it now. Love Hirschman. Got these guys out going potty. Buttons is over there. Come on, Buttons. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let these guys in real quick. Again, they're just out going potty. Come on, Herschel. Oh, Herschel's not done. Come on, Buttons. Lobo feeling playful. Y'all done, Hirschman? Come on, buddy. Go, K-Bar. Come on, Hirschman. Lift the two Yorkies back in real quick. But yeah, we've been getting a crazy amount of snow. March is usually our snowiest month here in April, in Minnesota, and then we often get snow up through April. So this is pretty typical for us. The beginning, the whole winter wasn't, but it looks like spring's going to be typical weather for us. Hope you enjoyed it. K-Bar. That's all. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye from K-Bar. Lobo, who's going potty. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.